Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to measure distance on Google Maps. So let's get started. First of all, navigate to the Google Maps on your mobile screen and open it. Once the app opens up on your screen, explore the specific area where you want to measure the distance. Let me show you an example. On Google Maps, I will select a random place to measure the distance. You can select your required area. Let's suppose I want to measure the distance on this road. First, tap on the point where you want to start the measurement. Then from the bottom, swipe up the page on the screen and select Measure Distance. Now move the Google Maps to find the endpoint. And from the bottom right, tap on the plus icon to add a point. From the bottom right, you can see the distance measured from the starting to the end point. In this way, you can easily measure distance on Google Maps. It will show you the total distance that you covered from one point to the others. And that's it. This is how you can simply measure distance on Google Maps. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.